Hi, this is Aaron from Marks Marine. We're unveiling our latest 3D printed item. It's really a wonderful new world we live in, and that gives us a lot of capabilities as a rig shop to add some additional capabilities to our rigging crew. This particular item is going to be available for consumers as well, but the primary need for us was internal. We're installing a lot of the new Ultera Quest, which is a heavier motor, and we've got this wonderful 60 amp circuit breaker battery switch combo from Egis manufacturing, which is an absolutely fantastic device. The only problem is it's a panel mount configuration, and not every configuration that we're doing, a panel mount works for us. So we were looking for a surface mount variant of this switch. Egis unfortunately doesn't make it at the moment, so we came up with a 3D bracket designed to accommodate. This is what we ultimately came up with. In some of our earlier versions, we had designed it as a watertight variation. This proved problematic in order to actually rig on it. So we figured this was a little too specialized for what most consumers were going to need. And we didn't actually have a watertight need, since this is going to be mounted down in the battery well in a dry section of the cubby. This was the final design that we came up with for the rig axis to allow pretty much any rig configuration that you might run into as far as wire gauges goes. This switch is designed to accept up to 6 gauge wire. Ultimately, we tried a variant in carbon fiber ASA. That unfortunately did not make our UL 94 requirement to comply with the ABYC standards. So we ultimately went to a flame guard ASA material, which does comply with UL 94. This is the final version. It's a really great design. It's got a little drain here in the back, so if you mount it in a inverted orientation, if there does happen to end up some condensation or water accumulation here, it does drain out of the switch before it can cause any issues there. We added some brass inserts, and we went with a carbon fiber reinforced foot just to give us some strength, because this is under some tension load. So this just slides together like this. We've got our 90-degree lugs here at the bottom, and then we just go in with the surface bolts here, and that cinches everything together. It's a really nice compact design. We think it turned out really well. Primary application for us is going to be in the rig shop, but I will have them available for sale here in the store as well. Again, Aaron with Marks Marine, just unveiling our new battery switch design. Thank you.